Alright, so we are heading back from Altamont, Illinois, and we noticed when we left our house, we started seeing lightning. And out along there's a storm coming in.
Aren't you even? You fucking asshole.
That was a nice shot. But I'm doing the video too.
Oops. Sorry.
You're good. Right over there is where most of the lightning is. Yeah, you see a lightning bolt shooting across the sky. I don't know if there's a chance of severe weather at all today or this evening or anything. I have not really heard. But I would bet there is a severe storm coming through. Just by how bright this lightning is right now. So, hang on. Alright, I'm back. Had to sneeze. Ooh, nice. Right over there is where the brightest lightning is, it looks like. Cool. Like I said, I don't know about any risk of severe weather tonight. If there is, oh, nice! That was a good shot. No, oh my god, no, lightning video. Hopefully it doesn't cut loose until we get home and get that motor covered up if he didn't do it. But yeah. So this is what we got. We just know that there is a thunderstorm of some kind heading this way. Again, I do not know of its strength, if it's going to be supposed to be severe storms heading this way tonight or anything, but I will keep you guys updated as soon as I hear anything. And if my weather radio goes off, we'll be doing a video on that. So that storm really gained some strength pretty dang quick.
It's right over the top of us.
All right. Stay safe out there, everybody. This is Mother Nature's Light Show. But, you guys have to be out, be careful. If you guys are in the Illinois area, especially in or around Fayette County here in Illinois. So just be mindful of the storms heading this way, and we'll see you next time.